My sister keeps announcing bad news every year at every celebration of my life. I've had enough and walked out. My whole life I have been told that the day I was born was the worst in our family because it was also the day my sister was diagnosed with cancer. My family hated celebrating my birthday, and they would often ignore my birthday. When I turned 16, my friends decided to throw me a party to celebrate my birthday. My sister wasn't invited, but decided to show up and started telling everyone she had another cancer scare, which ruined the vibes. When I graduated high school, my sister announced that her engagement had ended. My family decided to cancel the graduation party because my sister needed comfort. I finally spoke to my parents and told them how awful it made me feel. They apologized and told me they would throw me a graduation party to congratulate me on my achievements. During the party, my sister showed up and announced she'd had a miscarriage to everyone, and the party died as the focus went to her. Her husband told me I should make non-family leave because my sister needed family, so I left. It took them 2 hours to notice, and when they did, they were all asking what the hell I thought I was doing leaving like that, and my sister cried down the phone to me, saying that she felt I would support her.